Welcome to another guided meditation with ivy+light. Today we'll focus on gratitude. There are 3 types of gratitude. Gratitude because of current circumstances, situations, successes. Gratitude despite current circumstances, people, things. And gratitude before we receive our goals and our desires. In today's meditation, we will focus on these 3 forms of gratitude, increasing our awareness and experience of this gratitude energy. Before we begin, make sure you are comfortable sitting or lying down in a safe and quiet space. You may choose to diffuse essential oils such as ginger, bergamot, or gratitude blend, so that you breathe in these gratitude-enhancing oils throughout our meditation. You may also want to hold a heart chakra crystal such as Rose Quartz, placing it in your non-dominant hand to increase the flow of energy from the crystal into your body. Now that you are settled and ready, you may gently close your eyes, relaxing your face, your neck, arms, hands, softening the stomach muscles, releasing tension from your back and hips, and relaxing the muscles in your legs and feet. Breathe in a full, deep breath. Hold that breath. And exhale, breathing out all the stale air and energy from your body. Breathe in again, focusing on drawing in love energy. And now breathing out any stress or frustration. Breathing deeply one last time. Relaxing all your muscles as you breathe out. And now you can continue to breathe more gently, finding a rhythm that feels comfortable for you. Let us consider for a moment our current situation. At this moment in your life, there are many things to be grateful for. Some are small, some are big, and every single one of these things can add to your gratitude energy. Think of one tiny thing you are grateful for in this moment. Repeat it 3 times to yourself. Now think of a slightly bigger reason to be grateful. Repeat this to yourself 3 times. Now think of the biggest reason of all in this moment to feel gratitude. Allow this feeling of gratitude to wash over you as you repeat these words 3 times. What are the emotions you feel as you consider these gratitudes? You may feel a smile creep onto your face. Perhaps you feel lighter, more joyful, more at peace. Continue to feel all these emotions and their positive energy for the next few minutes as you continue to add to your list of gratitudes, repeating 3 times everything you can think of, be it big or small. It is wonderful to feel this energy swirling around within your body and all around you, throughout your aura and even filling the room around you. This gratitude energy is so powerful that we can use it to lift our mood, emotions, and vibration anytime, even when we are feeling frustrated or stressed. When we practice our second form of gratitude, gratitude despite, we can take our current circumstances and their problems and choose to shift our energy away from the negative aspects and toward all the positive aspects. Think for a moment of something that has been bothering you recently. Does this situation have a silver lining? Is there something big or small that you're learning from this? Are you more clear now of what you do want because of this? Take a few moments to list and repeat all the positive aspects of this situation, starting each new thought by saying, "I am grateful for." Create the energy of gratitude around this situation, allowing it to access the highest vibrations and therefore making more energetic space for positive outcomes to occur. If you have trouble coming up with positive aspects surrounding this situation, or once you run out of them, feel free to turn your attention to another subject and focus on all the positive aspects within that situation. Allow those gratitudes to interact and meld within this moment, lending their energy to all situations within your life. Now we move on to our third and final form of gratitude, gratitude before. This gratitude is connected with hope. Think for a moment of a goal or desire you have. You hope this goal will manifest into your physical reality. Going beyond hope, you have faith that it will manifest. And beyond that faith is gratitude. Speaking those words or gratitude as if you already possess this thing you desire. Feeling that energy living in the emotions of your manifestation, you can use gratitude energy to draw those manifestations into your life with grace, with speed, and with ease. Think again about your goal or desire. How will you feel once you have manifested it? Speak or think of the emotions and then feel them within your body. You may feel joy, love, success, excitement, safety, comfort, connection, and so many other things. Spend a few minutes with these feelings and emotions, allowing them to flow over you just as strongly as they did when we were focusing on our current gratitudes. Say to yourself, I am grateful for, and then fill in with whatever your goal is. Repeat this until it fills your mind and heart just as if it were here in your current reality. This is the power of gratitude. To enhance your energy, to shift and raise your vibration, to draw more abundance into your life. Remember, this energy is always within reach. All you need are a few moments to repeat your list of current and future gratitudes, and you will find the energy shift happening before you know it. If you need a boost or a little help along the way, you can always return to this meditation to guide you through the process. It has been a blessing spending this time with you today in this sacred space. May you continue to feel the flow of this energy today and beyond. And may you remember your power to create this gratitude energy anytime you desire. Until next time, love and blessings to you all.